What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm gonna be putting on fog lights to my car. I want to get fog lights for a little bit more visibility on the road, so I'm gonna go ahead and install those today. Let me go ahead and pull the car in, and then we can get started from there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the bumper off, get the fog lights out, and do that real quick. Alright, bumper off. And here's the fog lights that I got. These are some universal fog lights from Pep Boys. I was gonna get the JDM ones, but I want to do something a little different. I didn't want to get the traditional looking ones, right, like these right here. But yeah, this is the box it comes in. Here's the switch and wiring, more wiring. Okay, so and here's the instructions. The instructions are pretty straightforward though. This is mount them on, plug them up, leave them into your inside, leave them inside your car, then put the switch under your dash. So this should be a quick process. The only thing I gotta do, I already cut out that side. I just need to go ahead and cut that side out real fast. And then it didn't come with a bolt and a screw. I just found one in my garage and I just put it in and it perfectly fits. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount that down after I cut that side out and trim that down a little bit more. Let's go ahead and get to that real fast. All right, so the fog lights are in. I got one right here. Got one over there, and I drilled them in from the top, like so. And now I'm gonna put the bumper back on the car, I think, and then no, actually I don't have the bumper hanging, I mean not hanging, but right under the chassis over there, and then I wanna start wiring. So let me open up the hood too. All right, so this is how I got it set up. Start with the grounds. Here's the ground wire, and I got it going up. Where I got it at? I got it grounded to this little bolt right here, and then screwed it to a nut so it stay tight. Then this one is up to here, and then I got the red wire, both red wires connected. Now I'm not really sure about having it like this. I'm gonna get zip tied so I can figure out how I'm gonna put it, because I feel like this might fall off at some point on the road. So I gotta figure out a way to get this tightened so it can stay on. And then it goes through, comes up, goes through back here. I'm not sure you guys can see, but back there, here's the fuse to the battery. Goes right there. Now let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Now, here's the inside, here's the button, and the wires coming through. I need to give me some zip ties, so I need to buy some zip ties, put them up here, so they can get zip tied to up here. I'm gonna get some extension for the battery one, the fuse that connects to the battery. I'm gonna get some get some more wires so I can make it a little bit longer, so it won't be so short. And same thing with the ground. The ground's connected up here. I don't feel like taking this off again to show you guys, but I screwed it in up there. Now, here's the switch on. And let me show you what the fog lights look like on. That's the fog lights right there. I think it's cool. They're not that bright, honestly, but they're probably better at night. I think they look pretty cool. So I'm put the bumper back on, and I'm gonna put those lights on, my headlights on, and so you guys can get like the full effect of what it looks like with everything going. Oh, let me close this door. All right, so that's what they look like. I mean, they look good. They look good. Always wanted fog lights on my car. They cost the same price as the JDM ones on eBay. I think I'm gonna switch out the headlights for the more bluish looking ones. They're really just white, but they look blue, just to match that. But the offset look kind of cool, like how those lights are white at the bottom and the top they're like amber red. Yeah, I think I might just keep it like that. But this is what they look like turned on. Alright, so fog lights on the car. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. If you like what you're watching, go ahead and please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Catch you guys in the next vlog. Later.